Okay, it's
September 14, 2016.
11:18 a.m.
The Greens RV Campground, New Mexico.
We're redoing the
Portland, New
toilet.
Mexico. The cable broke on the freshwater
I see.
lever. That's the freshwater lever that's down. And when you push this down, it pull that cable to pull this whole unit. Now the new unit, the new replacement piece, has the ball already in there. I'm going to see if I can remove the ball, just slide that one out and push this through. Because it doesn't hook up on the other end until you put the crimper on. Then we'll save this whole mess if we ever need it. Right?
I hope it works.
Well, I think it will. I mean, it's just a ball out of there. That's the top one. There it is. Okay?
Yep.
Whoops, this will blow away. I may need a different small screwdriver. You don't have to keep taking a video if you don't want to. I just wanted to... what am I going to get that out? I got to go back in the house and get my other tools. I got a little thing.
Over and out.